Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I love orchids. I've had this orchid for ages as part of our range at Prestige Botanicals, trying to find the perfect vessel or container in which to display it. Well, I just happened to have this horrible thing which was bright whitey silvery, yuck. So what I've done is I've given it a metallic or a rusted finish. There it is there. So I thought that this would be the perfect container to put my flowers. It's very hard to work, let me just show you. It's very hard to work in a container that has got that kind of a narrow opening and this wide sort of tulipy thing happening up here. Because whatever you do, it's just never going to look right because you've got this skinny little thing happening down here, which is, I don't know, I don't find it very attractive at all. So let me show you a quick and easy way of designing into this urn. Now, if you've got just a little bit of a small block of foam, put that into there. And I'm going to use 2 of these gorgeous orchids. I'm sorry about the little tags on here, but if I take them off, I'll forget what they are. So I'm just going to leave that onto them. What I'm loving about the plant is it's got these lovely roots that are a nice texture. And all I'm going to do with this is, I love that, push that straight into there. I'm going to use 2 of those. And this is actually going to sit at the entranceway of my house, and all this really needs now is just a little bit of wood chip or some soil or some moss around the edge, and there you have a beautiful arrangement in moments. These orchids are fantastic. Don't forget when you go to check out at Prestige Botanicals to hit the Astar 15 for a 15% discount. This is going to be great in my entranceway because it's not going to need any love and attention, and it's very dark in my entrance. See you again another day.